the figure skating, which is quite tricky. I've managed to figure it out, and here is my attempt at it. So the aim is you have to do 7 jumps and spins to get the maximum points, but it's still quite tricky. So this is my attempt here. Okay, off we go. So you can go in 2 directions, and let's try the first jump, spin. There you go. And let's turn around and try the second jump. There you go. Let's do a spin. And you have about a minute to do all of these things. I don't think the order matters. Oh, I fell over. And we got like 20 seconds left. Here you go. Another spin and a good landing. And we got one more. Let's see if we can get it in time. There you go. And let's see if we can do it until the time runs out. Nope. And I never scored very high in this, so what have we got? Oh, that's not bad, 1.7. Okay,